I am Sumesh, teacher of English from the Royal Echo. Today I am going to explain a short and beautiful poem that's name is Fire and Ice. This poem is written by Robert Frost. He is an American poet. He contributed many novels, poetry, and these all things contributed to this world. His literature is something different from this other. He is using this very good poetic devices too. It's a 9 lines poem, but it is that language is very simple, but the depth of the meaning of each line is very what we say it is a very different. So the first line say some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. This is the first 2 lines of this poem. That means fire shows or fire mentioned here desire, lust, passion. The fire mentioned here desire, lust, or passion. But at the same time, the eyes shows that hatred, because these two things are very dangerous things according to White. The very first some eminent person says that this world will be end of with the help of the fire, and some says that some expert, some scientist says that the ice is more powerful. Some are says that fire is more powerful, some are says that eyes are more powerful. Which one is more powerful, we want to check. So already I explained that the fire shows that desire, lust, passion, etc. Eyes it shows for this hatred. So passion is more powerful or hatred is more powerful. Or eyes is more powerful, fire is more powerful. And third line. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. According to him, he has tasted desire. He has tasted fire and he support their views. He supported the fire because here said that I have tasted of desire. And the next line, but if it had to perish twice, the word twice means two, both, I think I know enough of hate. But as per opinion of poet, he finally concludes, that means he finally concludes that both of these two weapons are equally dangerous and will lead the world towards destructions. According to poet, the fire is dangerous, at the same time ice is also dangerous. That's why the word using the twice. To say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. The word suffice means sufficient. So ice is also sufficient to destructions in this world. So I'll say a small story about this ice and which one fire. So the before that means Robert Frost decided to writing the poem just before he thought or he think about something about this ice and the fires like this maybe. So one day, what will happen? One day there will be the huge explosion. That means you will expect one day. You will expect one day there will be this a huge explosion of a fire that will burn in the whole world. That will burn in the. So that's why everything will be destroyed due to fire. So this is the case of this fire in future. same in the case of this ice. Ice, already I said, ice refers the hatred. Ice referred here this melting of ice or melting of this glaciers or rising of the sea level. What will happen? Rising of the sea level. It may be more dangerous in future. So that is why, according to poet, the ice is more dangerous than the fire, because this it isn't symbolic meanings. Actually, the poet is using some symbolic signs. So actually, the word, because we are not thinking the fire means we are thinking about this only one. But according to his opinion, he is using some metaphorical languages. At the same time, he is using some symbolic style of literature device is using here. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.